Hello. So basically, I'm just doing something short, creating vocal effects, like creating effects with vocals. So you can hear this. This is just me saying cha, and I just layered it like 6 times. So, so hear it in the mix right now. Very simple and straight. Okay, well, I am still going to do this properly when my backups come, but basically I'm just enjoying myself. Now you can hear this. I sent it to a reverb channel. This is the first time I'm using this plugin. It's the Waves Wetter. Well, so maybe during my main project I'll use something else. Then I sent it to a pitch shifter. I dropped it an octave down. Everything sent to a bus. Sent everything an octave down, and I'll just mix it beautifully. Then I also sent it to a delay. This is the Replica XT native instrument. I used a preset which was just a specialized preset, and you can hear how it's moving from left to right. I cut down the lows a little bit. Then in my EQ, I also cut down the lows a little bit so it won't be so low. Okay, I added this effect, proximity. It just gives it a little width to hear it. I'll adjust the pitch down vocals because they feel a little bit loud, and so just this is how it sounds. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. This is just to help you think more creatively. Just think outside the box, think inside the box, think on top of the box, think under the box. Anyhow you take it. Nobody really cares how you do it. All they want to hear is the good music. So please make sure you like my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and enjoy. Cheers guys.